Yeah, I'm Kuldeep and we are from BII Formtech. So BII stands for Building Infrastructure and Industries. So basically we are into modular formwork and scaffolding. So this is our systems. This is our Acerise system. This is basically for all kind of verticals. For columns, walls, retaining wall, you can do any kind of structure by this modular formwork. So this is for column and you can see this is for wall. And we do have Mivan technology also. We are into Mivan also. Okay. Yeah. So we are catering all kind of modular formwork solutions for verticals, for slab, every kind of structures we are doing. And we are based out of Mumbai. We are operating pan-India and we are doing overseas also. We are capturing pretty good market in Hyderabad. We are doing lots of customers. We are attending lots of customers in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. So we are handling whole South also. Yeah, recently we have attended XCon 2025. So we got a pretty good response actually there. So it's booming market actually. They are evolving much better than West actually. So we are hoping good